This is the best value 23 Discovery we've ever had up for sale. So this car's a D300, so that's the best engine. Our Dynamic SE. But the way we've priced it, you'll look, compare it to other cars. Eiger Grey, it's got 22-inch wheels, it's got black and ivory interior. It's got a sliding sunroof, it's got steps, privacy and 22s, and it's an R Dynamic. It's priced unbelievably well. Eiger Grey with the black as well always works. You've got the badge in the inserts on that front bumper, all the dynamic. These little fins here built into here, all looks lovely. The big option there, you go 22s, again, big option, gloss black, 22-inch wheels. Get the little black inserts on them bits there. It's got mud flaps, side steps, privacy glass and black roof rails. So the car sits and looks lovely. 7 seats, just show you in the back. So you've got the extra 2 seats in the back. These are 2 full-size seats as well. And then you've got a row of 3. If you want to drop them down, it's very, very easy. Just like that. So easy. I'll show you in the back to start. The interior colour is beautiful as well. So it's all keyless entry like that. You just walk and all the central locking opens. You've then got this beautiful ivory interior. You've got ebony and ivory inside. Lovely quilted leather with a white stitching. These seats are all electric as well, so if you want to lay these flat, they all work off the buttons in the boot, and there's buttons in here as well. That's why Discoveries are popular as well. Space, 7 seats, room. This is the best engine as well. Right colour, the 22s. We were saying last night when it arrived, it is the best buy 23 we've ever had up for sale. Meridian speaker seat, memory seats, heated seats. And then you've got the sliding roof as well. That's another option. That's a £2,000 optional extra. Car's done 11,336 miles. Still got Land Rover warranty for 2.5 years. You've even got adaptive cruise as well, automatic lights, automatic wipers. This is the big one, tilt and sliding sunroof. I'd probably say 75% of the Discoveries on the market don't have a sliding sunroof. They're all fixed. People don't pay the extra for it because it's too expensive. You've then got your Privy Pro screen in the centre, again with great features. So we've got heated seats, things you'd expect to be fair, driver and passenger. Camera system is superb, so it's got the new camera system, which is 3D, superb. Back into the main menu, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. Under here, there's a little logo there, it's got wireless charging. Again, that's a great extra. So the spec on it is tremendous. 22, sliding sunroof, and it's the 300. It'll sell today, this car, because the way it's priced, the colour combination, the colours from the outside, the Eiger, the 22s, all look superb. It's going live on the website. If you want to call me direct, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call. Thank you for watching.